This beautiful century-old Victorian mansion last sold for $1.8 million, but now sits empty and abandoned, waiting for demolition. The house and the one next to it are being replaced with townhouses. Our starting point in this one is going to be in the attic. It's dark, it's creepy, it's old, historic, Victorian. Let's get at it. It's down to just the wood beams up here. Some stuff left behind. Look at this. That is an old crib with a spider web hanging in front of the lens. Wow, that is old. Old taken apart crib. There's some old bags here. They look like all empty, just bags filled with bags. An old wood bench. Oh, and look at this. No way. Turner and Hooch. Oh, what? John Wayne. This is a John Wayne cardboard cutout. I bet you it's a full-size stand-up one, but it's all folded up. That is awesome. Let's see some of the old brick structure here. Some old big speakers. Have holes in the floor. Look at this. Well worth the wait. Now, as I said, I've been waiting for this one for a very long time. Well over a year. Checking it. Waiting to see an opening. And finally found one. What is this? A Shirley Temple VHS. Holy. Now and Forever, Shirley Temple again. Our Little Girl. Another Shirley Temple one. Shirley Temple. I have a feeling that all of these are Shirley Temple VHS. That is incredible. I'm gonna get out of this attic. Look at this. The old decorative doorknobs. There's a kitchen still with dishes on the counter. Is there any in the cupboards? No. Liquor store bags. And empty, but there is dishes on the counter and a dish rack. Wow. And look, another one of the decorative doorknobs. Up here, this looks like a bathroom. Yeah, mirror is still intact. This place looks totally untouched. There's still stuff in the shower, some Epsom salt. Wow. Okay, there is a love seat in this room. Red Lobster bag. What are these? Okay, those are prescription cards, so I'm not going to show them on camera. And chandelier. So this is a very old Victorian home, but it looks like there was a lot of updates. Okay, we have a mattress still on the frame. Some decay up here. And that light fixture. Wow. And look at the old doorknobs. And how good of condition they're in. Those were kept up. Very nice. Some old slippers. And of course, have to have these. I don't get those. I guess a lot of people like them. Not really my taste. Empty room. It does have the headboard to a bed. It looks like the nightstand. And it had carpet around in the room covering up this old tile. Oh, whoa. Look at that painting. And then there's a picture of Elvis on the floor. Shirley Temple, Elvis, Turner and Hooch. Pretty old school. And who is this? Katharine Hepburn, Jane Fonda. Huh. Another picture of Elvis. I don't know who those are. Made in Manhattan, King Kong. These people were definitely some movie buffs. Saturday Night Fever, The Omen, The Fugitive. Yeah, they were movie buffs. For sure. Oh, what is this? Religious. Oh, wow. No way. These are all clips from movies. Not clips, but advertisements maybe. And cards. Wow. What is this one? It's already open. It's got John Wayne. Is this a John Wayne book? Oh, the Westerners. This was a movie buff's house, for sure. Look at this. It's all looks like clippings out of magazines and DVDs. Clint Eastwood, John Wayne, all the classics. Wow. Oh, no way. Dustin Hoffman when he was young. This is incredible. More John Wayne, Clint Eastwood. I can't go through that whole book, or this whole video would be about that book. Wow. More movie clippings. You got The Shining and Carrie. Wow. How freaking cool is this? This find is incredible. Oh, these are all scrapbooks for movies. Action adventure. More Clint Eastwood. Exit Wounds. That was actually shot in Hamilton, my city. 48 Hours. Honky Tonk Man. Lethal Weapon. Wow. Day After Tomorrow. I can't believe this. This is incredible. And there's more in here. Classics. See what they have in the classics. Elizabeth Taylor. My goodness. Wow, incredible, incredible. What I'll do is I'll take photos, as many photos as I can, and I'll post them on my website, terrywilson.ca, and you'll be able to check them all out there. I'll go through them thoroughly. Wow. On the main floor. Looks like this would have been an office. Yeah. Have the old computer monitor and tower here. With the desk and bamboo curtains. This place is incredible. What a find. Okay, this is just a closet with a built-in cabinet on the wall. What is that on the wall? It would say nicotine or something if they were smokers. It must have been, because it's all up here. Maybe another bedroom here. Some puzzles. Can't believe this place. This is corkboard. No, this is carpet. Halfway up this wall is carpet. Old brown ugly carpet. Doorknobs down here are not the same as on the second and third floor. So that tells me it's a little bit more updated. Maybe this was a living room. And the 3 bay windows. The carpet has been ripped up. Looks like garbage everywhere. Okay, and this would have been a kitchen. Very retro colors. Very retro. And then the teardrop windows on the door. Some shoes left behind. Oh, looks like down to the basement. There's another room over here, I believe, that I missed. More of the streaks on the walls. I think they were heavy smokers in here. Some paint peel. Oh, very retro light fixture. I did miss a room, and it's a bathroom. Wow. Such a cool find. I'm so glad I've been patient with this one and kept my eyes on it. Turned out to be well worth it. The retro tile. Hopefully it's not too bad down here. Holy, some old canned foods. Look like beets. Incredible. Old shoes. Okay, this was a small bathroom. Doorknobs down here are old as well, but not on the main floor. Everywhere else but the main floor. Have the furnace here. Little remote control car. Toyota. The toolbox next to it. Wonder if this is... And it's just empty. Looks like an empty storage room. A couple ironing boards. Oh, look at the mural on the wall behind these shelves. It looks like a tiger, but the shelves are blocking it off. Wow. This place is quite the find. More storage, box for a TV, fridge, golf bag, another old computer monitor. This is old wooden cabinet. That is old. Has old wooden drawers and logs. Old RCA stereo down there. Have a stove over here. It doesn't look that old. It's old. My guess would be 70s or 80s. Somewhere in there. Oh, this is a dresser. Wow. Think we've made it all the way through. I am so glad that I've kept my eye on this one. Got it before it's demolished. Yes, unfortunately, this beautiful Victorian mansion is set for demolition. Hopefully they get some of these movie collectibles out of here before then. What a find. What a find. This is a great lesson for anybody doing urbex. Is be patient. Keep your eyes open. Keep watching. And eventually you'll get a chance. Not always, but sometimes. And when you do, it can be great. Let me know what you guys think. What you guys saw in here that you really enjoyed. And as always, I'll see you on the next adventure.